friends, so today this is my first Django video, and this is about how to display anything, like whatever you have written on your HTML page, you want to display it on your website or web page, whatever you may call. So I assume in this video that you know basic installation of Django and you have already installed Django and your virtual environment. So let's get started. First of all, this is my virtual environment. I have to activate it. So open terminal in this folder, and then to activate your virtual environment, type source, your virtual environment name, /bin/activate. Okay, so my virtual environment has been activated, as you can see. So next thing, we want to make a project, so we will type Django admin start project. Django admin start project, whatever is your project name. I may tell it YouTube. Okay, I may call it my proj. Okay. Alright, next I'll be moving into this, so I'll type cd my project. This is my project. This is my project name which I have created just now. So next we will type Django admin start app. Django admin start app, name of your app, so give it as demo. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so we have manage.py file. Now to check whether our Django is working properly or not, we will type python manage.py run server. So this is the this shows that our Python project is running carefully. So what you have to do, you have to just copy it and then paste it into your browser. Okay, so this shows the install worked successfully. Congratulations. Okay, next step what we have to do is we just have to next we'll be just starting working on it. So open with other application, open with Sublime Text. So we have started. Okay, so first step which you need to do is, okay, this is my project, my app name, my project name, and this is my app name. So it contains certain folders like migration, init.py, admin.py, apps, models, test views, and this is like this. So there is a file named settings.py. So first of all, what you need to do, in installed apps you need to register your app. So what is the app name? My app name is demo. Okay, so you have completed your first task. Next, okay, we have registered our app name here. So next what we have to do, in this my project folder we have to create a new folder named templates. So this is a folder where we will be storing our HTML files, and then we will be using it in our project. So where is it? So this is our HTML templates. Okay, now whatever HTML files we need to create, we'll be storing them in this templates folder. Next what we have to do, we have this urls.py. open it. I request you guys to do this in step by step manner, otherwise you will get confused. Okay, so this is my project's url.py. So what you have to do, you have to register your app's URLs. Like my app name is demo, so you have to register your app URL here. So you will write, so leave it empty. So this is a path, like this is the URL path. For example, here URL path is admin/, so when on localhost you will type admin slash, so you will redirect to admin site. I'll tell you that later. So writing writing it like this means you are leaving it empty. So include whatever you include demo dot urls. It means your app name dot urls. You are registering it in the main project's url file. Okay, so save it. Next, what do you have to do? In okay, so until now what we have done, first of all we have registered our app name into settings.py, then we have registered our urls, then we have registered your apps url into urls.py. Next, just close it. Next, in your app, create a file named urls.py. I want you to make sure that urls, the other urls.py file was in my project, which is our main project. Now in our app name, in our app demo, we'll be creating another urls.py. So here we will write from Django dot urls import path. Okay, one more thing. In other urls.py we have used include, so we need to type here include. We need to import include. Okay, that's it. I'm so sorry. Okay, so from Django.urls import path. Next is from dot views import. So just give me a sec, I'll explain it to you. What is it? Home view, comma, about view. Alright. Okay. So what is this? There is a views.py file. Okay, so I'm writing it from dot views. Dot means all over. From all over the views file import home view and about view. So here we'll be creating two views named home view and about view, which we'll create after some time. So from dot views import home view. Now you have to define URL patterns over here. Okay, so how to write it? Path. Again, like in previous urls.py we gave URLs, but in this urls.py we included whole demo.urls, whole app.urls. Okay, so in app, in my demo.urls I'll be giving URL to my entire views.py, like I can say, like whatever views I'm creating, I'm giving them URLs. So leaving empty. Now I'll be write home view dot as underscore view function. So name is equal to home. This is nothing. Path, this is empty. Home view, as I told you, this is the name of my two views, home view and about view. Dot as view, we have to, this is the pattern of writing it, and name is equal to home. You can give it any name or you can just avoid it, like it's only depends on you. Next is path. Now we will give path for another. So this is your choice. You can also type it home and type it about, but this is only URL, like you have to type it on your local host to reach to that page. So as this is my home view, so I'll prefer it leaving empty, like it will directly get opened my home view. Okay, about view dot as underscore view function, comma, name is equal to about. All right, so this is it. So this is it, guys. Okay. Next we mentioned our views in urls.py. Next we have to open views.py. So in views.py we'll be writing from Django, from Django dot views dot generic import template view. So what is this? Now we are asking our Django. So means, so every time we write dot means there is a from Django. Django is the main directory of file. From there is a file named there is a subdirectory named views, and there is again a subclass of that views named generic. So see it like this: there is a Django. In Django there is a subdirectory named views, and in views there is a subdirectory named generic. So from there we have to import template view. Now why do we have to import template view? So template view is just a generic class based view that helps developers create a view for a specific template without reinventing the wheel. So using template view, we do not have to write code again and again to importing our HTML files. We can use it directly. So how? Let's see it. So there are two views, template view and list view. So list view is used when we have to show whatever is written on our models in database, and we want to display that in our home page. For that purpose we'll be using list view. I'll tell you later about that or in my next videos. So what you have to do, class, so we have to write class home view. So this is a view name which we mentioned here. This is the home view. Okay, alright, so we'll be creating two classes, home view and about view. So here we have to write template view like we are using it, and this is simple. You just have to write template name is equal to, so what is my template name? Home.html, right? Until now we have not created that. We'll be creating these home.html and about.html in our templates folder. I'll show you. Next is class about view. So this is my template view. This is a simple procedure, guys. I tried it from many places, but I did not found much easier way than this. So I hope you guys will find it useful. Home.html. Alright. So what is this? Here we have created two classes, home view and about view. So this is, we are using template view. If we would be using list view, then we would have written here list view. Alright, so next is, so this is how we write it. Template name is equal to name of your HTML file and same. Okay, so just save it. Now come to our templates folder. Here we have to create two files. First is home.html. Okay, next is about.html. Okay, I'll be creating it. I mistyped it. Delete file, a new file, about.html. Okay, so in home.html we have to write it. Title my home page, body, anything you wanna write. Welcome to my home page. Okay, so just save it. Next my about.html. Okay, my about page, body, h1, welcome to my about page. Okay, simple. I'm not writing anything into it. This is just to show you guys how you can display your anything, how you can display anything written in your HTML file in your web page. Okay, so that's it. And one thing which we'll be doing, so in settings.py we have to include our templates folder so that it can import all your files in it in your Django. So in dir's directories we have to write template. And one more thing guys, you cannot rename this folder as anything. It has to be templates, and remember, it is templates, not template. Okay, so please make sure of it. Alright, so next, so now what we'll be doing, cannot import name home view. So this is the error, cannot import name home view. I have mistyped it. So where is my home view? Cannot import name. Okay, so V is capital, I've written it small. Okay, so let's see. Home view, again error, home view dot view. Okay, so the name has to be same in every place. Okay, so you cannot write, like, the mistake which I have done is I have written home view, here view is capital, but there I typed it as home view where view is small. So this was my error. Okay, anything. Okay, so as you can see, quit the server with control C. Okay, means our code is running. So let's see. Okay, so welcome to my home page. So here you see guys. Okay, I'll be showing you something. Okay, so here, what is my URL? I have left it empty. Path, only colons, there is no path given. So in this I have given about hyphen. Okay, so this is my home page, and when I'll give it as about, okay, this is my about page. So I hope you understand the meaning of giving URLs. So this is it guys, we have simply displayed it. Thank you for watching.